It's time to cloud up. Let's test your Azure subscriptions skills. Question 1. Azure subscriptions are primarily used for managing which of the following? The answer is billing and resources, as Azure subscriptions are used to manage billing, resources, and access to Azure services. Question 2. Which of these is a valid Azure subscription type? The answer is free trial, as the free trial subscription provides limited resources for a limited time to new users. Question 3. How many Azure subscriptions can be associated with a single Azure Active Directory tenant? The answer is unlimited, as an Azure Active Directory tenant can have an unlimited number of subscriptions associated with it. Question 4. Which Azure service allows you to manage multiple subscriptions? The answer is Azure Cost Management Plus Billing, as Azure Cost Management Plus Billing allows you to track and manage multiple subscriptions. Question 5. Which role allows full control of an Azure subscription? The answer is owner, as the owner role has full control over the subscription, including management and access rights. Question 6. How does an Azure subscription impact the resources you can create? The answer is defines billing policies, as the Azure subscription defines billing policies for the usage of resources. Question 7. Which Azure service provides insights into subscription costs and usage? The answer is Azure Cost Management Plus Billing, as Azure Cost Management Plus Billing provides detailed insights into subscription costs and usage patterns. Question 8. A subscription in Azure can be linked to which billing model? The answer is pay-as-you-go, as the pay-as-you-go model is the most common billing model for Azure subscriptions. Question 9. What is the primary function of an Azure subscription in terms of access management? The answer is defining access to resources based on roles, as Azure subscriptions define access to resources based on role-based access control, RBAC. Question 10. How is a resource in Azure typically associated with a subscription? The answer is by subscription ID, as each resource in Azure is associated with a subscription ID that uniquely identifies it within the cloud environment. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, skillr.com.